Yes. Yeah, you should clean that one all. Oh, look. Dirty. Oh. Sige, clean. Yes, you need to clean it.
No, Daddy get angry.
So that Daddy will not get angry to us. Come on. Clean all it all. Sige. Lilinis si Sophia, guys, oh. My little Sophia cleaning, oh. Sige, baby. Clean it. Clean it, baby girl.
Stop talking. Over there.
Oh, come on. You're not yet done cleaning here. Baby, come on.
Poor Auntie.
Here, come on. You're not yet done cleaning. Come on, clean your kitchen set. Good job.
My pan. My pan, Mommy.
Come on, you're not yet done.
My pan over there.
Okay, okay, Mommy will get it. You clean here. Come on. Come on, you're cleaning here.
You want me to talk?
Daddy, you see Sophia? She's making a great job. She's cleaning. Sige. Clean, clean. Making a great job. Mommy is so proud. She's turning 3 years old on August. See how she clean, guys? Good job. She's 2 years and 10 months. She's cleaning her kitchen set and her house here. She's making a great job, guys. You see? She's helping her mom cleaning. And now she's cleaning her kitchen set and her house. She's making a great job. Sige lang, clean.
Done.
Not yet done. I check it.
Cover it.
Oh no, this one here, oh, need to clean it. Oh, look. Okay, the house is clean. Oh, here, the inside. Did you check it? Check it.
It's a roof.
Oh no, yes, you need to clean it.
Over there.
Good job, Sophia. Okay, clean it. Clean it lang.
It's a candy.
Oh no, give me the candy. It's not dirty already. Okay, clean it. Sophia is cleaning, guys. She's cleaning her kitchen set. She's doing a great job. Very good. After she play and she fix her toys, and then now she's cleaning it because she spill or over she writing on it, and now she's cleaning.
John, Mommy, look at the marker.
Oh, you take all the marker. Check it. Check it out.
Yeah.
I love you so much. You clean your... Good job. Good job, baby. Can you say flying kiss to them? Thank you for watching Sophia video. She's making a great job, guys.
There's my sandal.
Where's my sandal? Ayan, nilinis niya, guys. Yung laruan niya. Turuan habang bata pa maglinis. Ayan. Thank you, Sophia. Nakita niya ako, guys. Naglilinis kasi ako. So, ayan. Nilinis niya yung kitchen set niya. Tapos, ito yung bahay-bahay niya. Ayan. So, thank you for watching, guys. Sophia done cleaning her house.
My baby heart.
Ayan, Sophia, guys. So, ayan. Thank you. Sophie, thank you for cleaning. Thank you for helping mommy. Love you. Don't make mess. Can you say bye-bye to them? Lang. Bye everyone. Please subscribe to our channel.
Baby horse.
Bye everyone.
Here's my real baby Ginger horse.
What?
Where's my baby Ginger horse?
I don't know, baby Lang. You need to find it. Where did you put it?